Today, we want to talk about how to clone a website. For example, something like this. This teaching or whatever, this what I'm teaching you is for education purpose. That doesn't mean that you should go and copy somebody's website and use it to be scamming people or do some sort of illegal. So you want to warn user, this is, don't put yourself into trouble. Avoid clone somebody's website and hosting it and to get or to in order to get some information from other people. This is very, very bad. Okay, let's go to the main one now. So you want to copy or you want to clone or you want to mirror something like this. You need some other things you need to put in place before you can be able to do it. And number one is to get wget files on internet. And what is wget file? Wget file are open source line command that enable people to download some kind of files on internet. So if you are into cybersecurity, you will know what I'm talking about. So open source, you need to get wget. Wget is also made webget to get something from web. Instead of webget, they just short it to wget. So you need to get the file. And how can you get the file? I'm going to share the link below, but on your system now, you can just go to your browser and say wget download. Okay, something like this now. Wget download. Yeah, wget download. Okay, you can look at this now. internalboard.org. You can just then click on this. Then it's because it's a 32-bit, but we don't have time to. I don't want the video to be too long. So it's 32-bit. So you need to download here. Click on here. Then it's already downloading. You can see it's already downloading. Okay, it's downloaded. Now let's see it now. Let's open it. Okay, this is wget. Now what we need to do now is to copy this. We are copying it from here, from downloading file to one particular folder in our local disk. So let's copy it now. Let's copy. Then let's go to what is it called? Let's go to our local disk. I'll go to window. Then get to window. You need to paste the file. You need to paste the file inside one particular folder. The folder is 32, system 32. Yeah, system 32. What you need to do is just paste here. I want to paste now, but because I have the file already, I don't want to have the two files at the same time. Do you want to copy this? Yes. I have the file already on my list. You can see that it said I have the file already, but that is why I don't want to cancel it. I don't want to paste it here. But after pasting it there now, what you line command, go back to your line command. So you want to get your CDN. If you want to get your CDN now, CMD line window command. So what you need to do now is to, if you want to, maybe probably you want to know that you have already put the file in your 32 system 32 folder, you can just click wget. So if you have done that, if you get to this message, that show that the file is already in 32 system 32 folder. So what you need to do, I'm going to show you some kind of line command, then I will explain how it is. Then let me just open this so that you can see this command. This is what you would need to use to, first of all, what you need to do is do something like this. Copy it. You need to I'm going to share this also uh under the video, under the link below. So let me just go back to your line command and watching it. Let me expand my screen and let me you watch this just to paste it here. And if you want to paste it now here now, what you need to do is here copy. You want to delete. What you need to do is this is URL because we are not downloading this stuff. This is URL. So you are going to copy the URL of any website that you want to clone. For example, now I think I we want to clone this. So what you need to do now is to copy this, Control C, then go back to your line command, then Control V, which is paste. What you need to do now, then uh this is this is the code that you need. This is the code that you need from here to here. I'm going to share it also. Then from here to here is the URL link to any website you want to clone, you want to mirror, or you want to copy. What you need to do. So if I'm sharing any, what I will do now, I will not share this on being on the link below. Then you can put the URL of any website that you want to clone. So what you need to do is just enter. So you can see the website is the line command is everything is being copied from the beginning to end. You can see some line. It depend on this. It depend on the size of the website you are cloning. So it depends on the size of website you are cloning. If it takes much of time, definitely the website might be too large. If it doesn't take much of time, maybe the file the website is too light, not really large, it's too small. So it depends on the size of the website to know maybe the before the process will finish. So depend on how it be. But I don't want to copy the I don't want to stop the I think the website we are cloning now is I don't think is very much. So and it depends on how the website is too large. So your own website you are cloning might take much of time. But I don't think this will take much of time because it's not too large. Okay, let me pause the video and now it's just what happened now is just to you can see everything here as you can see now is already cloned. So now I have the website on my local host. Then how can you get the website? How can you get the website? The website you are cloned. What you need to do is go back to file folder. Then under the file folder now, go to local disk. Under the local disk, go to user, user. Then you will see the folder here. This is the website jamgtech.com. So if you look at the date that we clone it, it will be going to be the actual day that you clone it. According to what I'm doing, January 28, 2025, around 2:45 a.m. That's the actual time I'm doing this video. I'm doing this tutorial. So now let's open the folder. So to open the folder now, you will see that these are all the files, all the pictures, all the image that is the website that is on my system, my personal, my brand website. Okay, now if you look at this now, let's open it. So to open it now, you need to look for index file. So we are going to talk about index file is the landing page of every website. It's just like an entrance to any website. So when you click one particular URL on your browser, the first page that will bring out, that's what we call index. If you're a programmer, you know what I'm talking about. But sometimes they call it land. It's also landing page. So index. So let me open it now. Let me on. Okay, as you can see now, if you can see now, you see that this is the website that we clone. This website is on my system right now. If you look at the directory, you see from user, from C, which is localhost, user, all this stuff. So you will see that this website is on my localhost. Everything, can you see everything? It does not remove anything from it. Okay, and if you look at this now, if you look at this, you can see this one is online. So this one is on here, is on server. So why this one is on my system? So what I need to do, probably I want to change some certain thing. You can change it. I think don't, if you want, probably you are not a programmer, you just want to learn how to edit it, kindly comment below, or just say let's me probably I should do some kind of video how to how to edit through using VS Code or any code editor, how to edit it, or probably you want to change this one to different thing, or you want to change this one to different thing, or different thing entirely, or you want to change some statistics, you want to change some pictures here to just replace it. That is it. Now you can know, you already know how to clone, mirror, or copy a website. Once again, this video is for education purpose. I beg you in the name of God, don't put yourself into trouble by cloning websites. So you can put you into trouble. So they call it intellectual property. And please, I don't want you to be in trouble. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel to just to help us as we are trying to help you as well. Thank you so much. God bless you.